Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, I created this sort of like gold to red, like neutral, sort of like really easy, very appropriate fall eyeshadow look. I'm getting into those fall looks since it is the month of November and it's coming up on one of my favorite holidays. You know, Christmas and Thanksgiving. Equally love them both. I think Christmas a little bit more. But anyways, with that being said, I use the ColourPop Yes Please palette, an oldie but goodie palette that I just love so much. As well as, if you're curious on the haul with these earrings, I will link it in the description box below. And I also wanted to address the elephant in the room because I'm not sure if you can notice on camera. It's kind of hard sometimes because you don't see like a big portion of me. You only see like maybe a little under the neck and above, if that. But I cut my hair. If y'all guys have seen my pictures on Instagram, you've seen my long hair, or if you know me in person, you know that I have had long hair pretty much all my life. And I made a drastic decision probably about a week ago or so now, and it is short. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's cut short. Like, you can tell. So yeah, and I am really been enjoying the short hair. It's a very big change into having to style it and take care of it and all of that, but it has been, I feel, so worth it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the hair. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I'm stoked. Alright, now that I have rambled on a whole bunch, we can get ahead and get on to the tutorial. My base makeup is done, and if you're curious on everything that I used, I will list it in the description box below for you. For today's like fall-ish sort of look, I'm planning on something just super easy, super like quick. It's just very simple for fall. And I always go towards this palette. Ever since I got it, I'm always like, what looks can I create with this? What looks have people done? And it's just something that I'm always researching. And I don't know why and what is about this palette that just screams to me so much. But it's the Yes Please palette by ColourPop. If you don't know what it looks like, this is the inside. Color story. Beautiful. Gorgeous. So, I don't know. I love this palette so much. And this is what I'm going to use for today's look. I'm going to scoot in closer and we will get started with this eye look. Thank you guys so very much for watching this video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.